I'm Chris, and I'm one of the drain techs over at Southwest Plumbing. Let me take you tour right now with our van. These are one of our main machines that we use on a daily basis, which is our kitchen machine. We also have one that actually helps with smaller drains, which is our pistol snake right here. And then we have our bigger machine that's on the very back of our van that helps with more industrial size issues. I would say on my off time, when I'm not working, it's my TV in the back.
Awesome. Perfect.
But when I'm working, these three guys right here take care of all the hard lifting.
Awesome. Perfect. Thank you.